Want to play as your favorite jellybean in Fortnite? Here's how to unlock Fall Guys skins. First, head to the item shop. That's where Fall Guys skins are available during special collab events. Look for Fall Guys inspired outfits like Major Mancake or Peely Bean. These rotate in and out, so check every now and then. Some skins were also earned by playing Fall Guys events in the past, like Crown Clash. Once you've got the skin, head to your locker and equip it, and you're ready to bounce into battle, Bean style. Fall Guys skins are cosmetic only, no gameplay changes. But remember, you can only use Fall Guys skins and Fall Guys game modes. And that's how you get these skins in Fortnite. Hit subscribe for more quick guides. See you on the island!